Good morning, student. Today I will start new chapter, that is operation on sets. Operation on sets. Okay. Let's start. You know, in class 6-7 you learn the sets, what is set, how to write the set, and diagram, Venn diagram of sets. Now you have to know the operation between the sets. Operation means in arithmetic you have done so many operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. In set also there are some operations. In higher classes you will learn addition, multiplication, subtraction. Now there are two operations, two or more operations, important two operations are there. The operations names are first union of sets. Union of sets. First I told you union of sets. What is the union of sets? Suppose I write two sets. A equals to 2, 4, 6, 8 and B equals to 2, 3, 5, 7. Now I written here A equals to 2, 4, 6, 8 means even number and these are prime numbers. Now the union of two sets, union of these two sets, the union can be written as this. This is the union. This is the union. A union B. This is called union, like U. It is called union. A union B equals to means it will be a set. And what will be their element? Now element means all the elements between the set A and B. All the elements between the sets A and B. But if there are any common element, you have to write at once only. Now all the elements between A and B, here you can see 2 belongs to both the elements. Therefore you have to write only 1 and 2. Then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the union of two sets. This is the union of two sets. Now, the intersection of sets. Intersection of sets. Intersection of sets means intersection. It is also one operation. Suppose in these two sets, here I written na A equals to 2, 4, 6, 8 and B equals to 2, 3, 5, 7. Now if you have to find the intersection between two sets. Intersection, the symbol of intersection is just opposite of union. That is just like opposite of U. This is called intersection. A intersection B equals to common element. Where only the common element between these two sets. The intersection means you have to write only the common element between the two sets. Between these two sets, the only one common element is 2. There and this will be a set. This is the intersection between A and B. This is the intersection between A and B. Now, difference. A and B with two sets, then A minus B is the set consisting of all those elements which belongs to A but do not belong to B. Difference of two sets. Suppose I told you there are two sets A and B. You have to find the difference. Then you will write A minus B or B minus A. If I told A minus B, then this is the difference between A and B or B minus A. But in sets, A minus B means the set of element in the set, A which does not belongs to the element in the set B. Suppose I take it here. A equals 1, 5, 9 and A equals A, B, C, D, E, F. Suppose I write here A equals to A, B, C, D, E, F. This is the set A. Now B equals to A, E, I, O, U. This is the set B. Therefore, here A minus B. A minus B means I told the element in the set A which does not belongs to the set B. Now you just see which element are in A but not in B. That is this one, B, C, D and F. These are the elements which belongs to A but does not belongs to B. Therefore, in place of A minus B, we can write the set of these elements B, C, D and F. Okay, this is the difference between A and B which can be written as A minus B. But if I write here B minus A, this is difference. B minus A means the element of the set B which does not belongs to it. Here in this sets, which elements? Now I, O, U, which belongs to B but does not belongs to A. Therefore, B minus A will be the set of these elements. Okay. Now, complement of a set. Complement. Complement of a set. What will be the complement? Complement means before learn this you have to know the universal set. I told universal set means a set containing so many number of sets. Suppose Royal Academy is a universal set. Among the Royal Academy, there are different classes. All the classes are sets. So Royal Academy is in universal sets. Then class 5, class 6, all the classes are the sets. Now the complement of these sets. Suppose you are now reading class 8. So if I told you find the complement of class 8, then what will be the complement of class 8? Means the set except class 8 from the in the universal set. You have to find the complement of class 8. So the set except class 8. All other set you have to take in except class 8. Since you will find the complement of 8, then there will be the complement of the class 8. Means right. This is a universal set. This is a set A. And this is universal set Xi. This is a universal set. Universal set can be written as xi. Now the complement of this set A. The complement of this set means this outer portion, except this. Except this. If I told you universal set is the natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is a set A, then the complement of set A will be A dash. It can be written as A dash. Complement can be written as A dash, or in some book it can be written as AC. Then it will be the element of the others in the universal set except A, that is 1, 4, 5, 6. 1, 4, 5, 6. These are the elements which does not belongs to A but belongs to the universal set. Therefore, the complement of the set A will be 1, 4, 5 and 6. Now, the overlapping sets. There are two types of sets: overlapping set and another is disjoint set. Overlapping set means two sets. If we get at least one common element, then they are called overlapping set. Suppose I write here, this is a set A, this is another set B. If you can see any common portion between these two sets, suppose I write here the A is the element 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 7, 6. These two sets are in this form. Here this portion is the common portion between these two sets, and 3 and 6 are the common elements. Means they have the intersecting sets, which is not a null set. They are intersection. Now, if I told you find the intersection between A and B, you can find the intersection between A and B means 3 and 6. Intersection means the common elements, that is 3 and 6. Therefore, their intersection is not a phi, means null set. Therefore, we can say that these two sets are overlapping set. What is overlapping sets? Okay. And if intersection is not phi, means overlapping will be A intersection B not equal to phi. And disjoint means if their intersection is phi. Disjoint means they will be separate. Suppose I write here two sets in overlapping situation. They will be disjoint if they are separating. Disjoint set A and B are two sets. A is A equals to 2, 4, 6. B equals to B, D, F. Then you can see that A intersection B is clearly phi, and they are two separate sets. There are no common elements. Therefore, we can say that these sets are disjoint sets. Okay. These sets are disjoint sets. And in previous classes you learn, in previous classes means in class 7 you learn the cardinal number of a sets and different type of sets. Again I just remind you, different type of sets. First is finite set, infinite sets, null set, singleton set, equal set, equivalent set. Finite means it has a finite number or limited number of elements. Infinite means it has unlimited number of elements. Null set means it has no elements. Singleton set means it has only one element. And the set that is equal set and equivalent set. Before starting this equal set and equivalent set, I just told you cardinal number of a set. Cardinal number of a set means suppose here A is the set and its cardinal number will be 3. Why? If cardinal number means how many number of elements containing in these sets. Here 2, 4, 6. How many number of elements? Only 3 number of elements. Therefore we can write cardinal number of these sets Na equals to 3. It can be written as Na. If two sets having the same cardinal number, then they are called equivalent sets. Here A and B both having the same cardinal number. But if two sets having same cardinal number and same elements, exactly same elements. Here two sets having same cardinal number, but they are not exactly containing same elements. Here it is 2, it is B, it is 4, it is D, it is 6, it is A. Not exactly same number of elements or same elements. Same number of elements containing but not same elements. Therefore, if it is containing also 6, 2, 4, then we can say that these two sets are called equal set and it can be written as A equals to B. And in place of equivalent set, we can written as A equivalent to B. Okay? These are equal and equivalent sets. And the cardinal number. There are some basic results about the cardinal number. You will see the basic results about the cardinal number. Na union B equals to Na plus Nb minus Na intersection B. The most important basic results is this Na union B. I just write here. N A union B equals to Na plus Nb minus N A intersection B. Okay. See the exercise. Exercise 6.1. Video is going on. Here first one, A, B and C are given. 6.1 I have to the first one. A equals to 0, 1, 2, 3 and dot. It is up to 8. Exercise 6.1. A equals to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 8. B equals to 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. And C equals to 0, 5, 10, 20. Okay. Now find A union B. At first you have to find A union B. Now A union B, between A and B, how many common, you have to write all the elements. So you will write 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 belongs both type sets, so you will write only 1 3. Here it is 4, also containing 4. It is 0 1 2 3 dot 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 up to 8 means it is containing 4 5 6 7 also. 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 11. Same as also number 2, A union C. Number 2, A union C. A union C means the element 0 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 2 20. Number 3, B union C. B union C. B union C means the elements, all the elements. 0 3 5 between B and C. 0 3 5, then 7 9 10 11 20.